everybody. Now this is our quick release bracket, new and improved, okay, very user friendly. So I'm going to show you now how to bring this up, change the angle on the head, up and down. So I'm going to take this, loosen it off, bring it up, lock it in. Now to change the angle on the head, all you have to simply do is loosen this 3/4 inch drive, nut or bolt right here. Okay, we're going to loosen it, change the angle, and it's done. Okay, you want to bring it up, you can loosen it again, bring it up, and it's done. Bring it down. So what we do now, this can actually spin inside the shaft while it's clamped. Okay? So instead of actually having to loosen your bolt over here and have it stationary, we're going to go over here. This one here will just spin inside its lock shaft. There's a bolt up here on the top. It's 3/4 as well. That will lock it from moving. Keeps it stationary. Loosen that bolt up top. You can move it around. Okay, now bring it back down. You just loosen your head here.